Top 10 Tricks for Booking Cheap Flights in 2023. Hello there, fellow travelers. If you have clicked our video because you want to grab some handy tips to cut down flight expenses, we have got you covered. In today's episode, we are going to talk about the top 10 tricks for booking cheap flights in 2023. Yes, you heard us right. Cheap fares can make all your travel dreams come true. Imagine ticking all your dream destinations off your bucket list in 2023 with some amazing and cheap flights. So without any further ado, grab your snacks and watch our video to get your hands on the cheapest flights no matter where you want to travel in the world. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We also have a bonus tip for you all in the end, so make sure you watch our video till the end and save some major dollars. Let's get started. 10. Be flexible with your travel schedule. Airfares can get incredibly expensive, especially during peak holiday seasons, major sports events or school breaks or festive seasons like Christmas or New Year's Eve. So one of the best tricks to grab cheap fares is to stay super flexible with your travel schedules and fly off season, because if you travel when everyone else is traveling, you are out of luck. Search for the best alternative dates to find the best deal. 9. Always check your departure time. It is quite likely that you are going to grab the best bargain if you are willing to travel at an early hour. Nobody wants to sacrifice their peaceful night's sleep or wake up early, so fewer people catch early morning or late night flights. Therefore, flight rates are cheaper then, so you should always consider the time of your departure and be ready to compromise your sleep schedule when confirming your tickets. 8. Be flexible with your destinations. If you can't be flexible with your travel schedule and departure timings, at least be flexible with your destination. Using websites like Skyscanner and Google Flights allow you to scour the entire map of the world and get the cheapest flight available. Staying flexible with your destination doesn't always mean spoiling your travel plans. In fact, it gives you an opportunity to discover some interesting destinations you hadn't even thought of ever before. This trick works the best for those who just want to get out of their hometown and have a unique travel experience. 7. Plan ahead of time. Another key to get a cheap flight is to make your travel plan ready at least 10 to 12 weeks before. In the meantime, you can keep a vigilant eye on flight fares on different flight booking websites. You could compare prices and go for whichever is the cheapest. It would be best if you book your tickets 7 to 8 weeks before your trip, because mostly that's when prices begin to hike up. 6. Do not wait for last-minute flight deals. Let's debunk a popular myth that last-minute flight deals are cheap. Cost of flights may or may not drop at the last moment. The disappointment is real when you face an even higher price while waiting for it to drop again. You also run into the risk of facing an even higher price, or in the worst-case scenario, all tickets being sold out, especially if you are traveling to some popular destination. So book your flight before the masses do. And watch out for our bonus tip, which we are just about to reveal. 5. Get tickets for individual travelers. Airlines are clever, so they want to sell their tickets at the highest possible rates. So they always show expensive prices when you are buying for your friends and family as a group. So make sure you get tickets for individual travelers. 4. Book a package holiday. Booking a package holiday can offer you incredible bargains on flight tickets and accommodation, as travel companies book several tickets in advance and get huge discounts. So it is possible for you to get tickets much cheaper in a package than regular flights. 3. Watch out for hidden expenses. You may not even realize airlines can be deceptive and automatically add other features like insurance. So make sure to check the prices carefully before confirming your tickets. 2. Go for connecting flights. If time is not an issue, then choose connecting flights rather than direct flights. Airlines are aware that people prefer direct flights to save their time, so connecting flights are usually cheaper. Now finally moving over to the bonus tip. We bet you were eagerly waiting for this one. 1. Search with a different currency. Nobody ever shares this secret tip, but booking in a different currency can save you lots of dollars. This tip works wonders for those currencies which are doing weaker. If your currency is going strong in the stock market, try searching for a flight in a different currency. You can get the same airline, same flight, and even the same booking class, but much cheaper in the different currency. We have tried our luck and been successful, so you can too. Make sure you have turned off your location access and are booking tickets on an incognito window. On that note, we are wrapping up today's video. If you are gearing up for vacations, we hope our video helps you to grab the cheapest flight. We would love to hear your valuable thoughts on our video in the comment section below. If you liked our video, give it a thumbs up and check out our other videos. Don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family who are planning holidays. To keep an eye on the daily dose of interesting travel, smash the subscribe button. We will see you soon in another interesting video. Thanks for watching.